Good morning and happy Friday, Scots. I'm Amaya.
And I'm Zane. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's dive into this week's announcements.
Here's your Black History Month fact. Allensworth was the first town in California founded exclusively by African Americans in 1908.
It was established by Colonel Allen Allensworth, a formerly enslaved man who became the highest-ranking black officer in the U.S. Army.
His goal was to create a self-sufficient black community in Tulare County. Today, part of the town is preserved as Colonel Allensworth State Historic Park.
Next, seniors, today is the last day to order your cap and gown before prices increase. Order now at jostens.com. Don't wait, get yours today.
Third, Scots, if you're celebrating a birthday or a special occasion like Valentine's Day, please remember that HHS cannot accept flowers, balloons, food, or large items at front desk. Finally, spot this flyer in your classroom? Take a moment to recognize a staff member for Plaid. Scan the QR code and show your appreciation.
Hey Scots, stop scrolling. Scan the QR code now to give a shout out to a staff member for Plaid.
And now it's time for a quick commercial break.
Check out this video.
I gotta get to class real quick.
Hey! Hey!
Oh my God!
Did you drop that piece of trash?
Oh yeah! Oh my God!
You better throw that trash away
okay,
right now!
Okay, I will.
That's right. Throw away your trash, or I'll find you.
Welcome back, Scots.
Here's another Black History Month fact.
Altadena has long been a refuge for black families seeking opportunity and safety during the Great Migration, offering affordability and a welcoming community.
By the 1920s, a thriving black community has taken root, but disasters like the Eaton Fire, which destroyed nearly 1,000 structures, displaced many families.
Through fire, earthquakes, and challenges, the black community of Altadena continues to show resilience and strength. Are you a part of the class of 2028? Check out this awesome class shirt design.
Want one? Stop by the finance office to grab yours.
They're on pre-sale for $20 now through the next week.
Don't miss out. Get your shirt today for just $20.
Now, check out this video.
Something very important: getting help. Whether it's for your mental health or a tough situation you are currently facing, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. None of us are meant to do life alone, and reaching out is often the first step towards growth, healing, or success.
Hey, freak! When you're around these parts, you know this is our part, okay? And you know what? Your shirt is really stupid. You know what?
Let's explore why asking for help truly matters and how we can make a difference.
Hey man, you alright? Dust in those boots. You wanna talk about it? Hey, I got a scooter.
Welcome to the past. Remember, asking for help isn't a sign of failure. It's a step towards growth and connection. Whether it's with a friend, family member, teacher, or professional, there's always someone willing to listen and support you. You don't have to face challenges alone. I hope you enjoyed this message. Hope you enjoyed this message.
Hey, tomorrow we have a test, right?
Oh, okay.
Remember, you got the phone, all right? Lock in.
Alright.
I know, you see.
Bro, this test is gonna be easy, but I don't think I'm gonna pass, bro. Okay, finish with this, bro.
Wow, Josiah, here's your assignment, man. You got an F for it.
What? Oh my God!
You should have studied and not have been on that phone.
You're probably right.
Thank you for the videos.
Did you know that February 15th to 22nd is National FFA Week?
In honor of FFA Week, FFA will be hosting many events throughout next week. Be ready, Scots.
Also, are you interested in running lights, sounds, or helping backstage during the Beetlejuice play?
If so, please go talk to Mr. Thompson in 8C ASAP.
Your help will be greatly appreciated.
Now let's go with sports.
Welcome to sports. I'm Julian Medina.
Hey Scots, I'm Ja.
Let's dive into some sports announcements. The swim season is underway. The team has a match against the East Bakersfield at Kern High School Aquatic Complex Dive Tank.
The match starts at 3:30 p.m. and ends at 6:30 p.m. Good luck and go Scots.
Congratulations to our Highland robotics team. This past Saturday, the sophomore team completed at the final robotics tournament of the season at BHS.
They performed exceptionally well and qualified for the state championships.
Now, we are moving on towards the girls' soccer.
Check out these interviews.
Today I'm here with Allie Matney. What sport do you play?
Soccer.
Riley Aguilar. What sport do you play?
I play soccer. Melissa Flores.
What sport do you play?
Soccer.
How has your season gone so far?
It's gone really good so far. I feel like we've had a great season. We've had a lot of good incoming freshmen, and we've had a really good base, I feel like, with last year's people. We've had a good record this year.
What's the best part of playing soccer?
It's definitely all the connections that we make. I think all the girls are great, and I love them all.
And what's the best part about playing here for Highland?
All the connections, and all the girls are like really nice.
Why should females play sports?
It opens us up to even bigger opportunities in the future.
Females should play sports because it's kind of a life-changing experience. You gain so many new friendships through that, and a good work ethic that you can apply to anywhere in life, whether it's your job or your friendships or just any avenue of life.
The boys basketball team has made it into the playoffs. Their first game is happening this Saturday at 6 p.m.
For more information, check out their IG at Plaid City Hoops.
Come out and show some support towards the team.
That's it for sports.
Peace out, Scots.
Hey Soleil, do you have any plans after high school?
I'm not sure yet, but it feels like everyone keeps asking me that.
So do you think you're going to get a job after graduation?
I haven't really thought about it. Are you still considering joining the military after high school?
You know what? I might have to.
Ah, okay.
It's just been really overwhelming. I mean, everyone keeps asking what I'm gonna do after high school, and to be honest, I'm just trying to pass my classes right now.
Yeah, I get it, but I have an idea that might help.
Like what?
There's gonna be a career fair at lunch on Friday at the gym.
Okay. I did not know Highland has career fairs.
There is.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, Soleil? How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Hey, have you decided what college you're going to? So are you thinking about getting a job after high school?
Or you think about like joining the military?
Remember, Scots, the career fair is happening today during lunch, so make sure to stop by and bring a friend.
Remember, Scots, love doesn't pay the bills. Come and find a career during lunch in the gym to learn about careers from professionals in the community.
Plus, there's no school on Monday again.
Enjoy your 3-day weekend.
That's it for today.
And always remember to
Plaid up.